I have packages I want to open with you! These packages have nothing to do with the exciting cyberpunk content that's coming up, but instead, a different outfit that I've been planning, but I haven't told anyone about it until now. It's gonna be a dark circus Lolita theme, so let's open the things. The first package is some set prop pieces I ordered, so I know exactly what they look like. The second one is something I commissioned, and I don't know what it looks like yet. So let's open the thing I know what it looks like first. Here's the box. It's pretty big, but not very heavy, thankfully. Here's the first item. Look at how cool this is. Oh my god. Perfect circus theme. Circus, not surface, what? Also, the little lid here has a little, I don't know, notch. The opposite of a notch. So it can like stay on. So that's nice. And of course, what is a fun teapot without a matching cup? You know what's next. Ta-da! Teacup and saucer. Also on the other side of this, look, there's a little skull as if it's like peeking up from the liquid that's gonna be in it. How cute! I love it. And the last thing, this spine candle. Oh, this is so cool. Okay, now the commissioned thing, which I don't know what it looks like. So this is gonna be pure reaction, raw reaction. I'm not gonna fake it. If I'm disappointed and it's not what I was envisioning, that's okay. That's what's gonna happen. But this is it. And I can tell you what it is. Let's just open it. I'm scared. But like excited? Scared, excited. I really hope I love it. I love it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so pretty. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. I'll let you all look at it. And then I get to take it in too, okay? So I can't see well with in the camera. Oh my gosh. Ooh. This is so pretty. I love it. And the inside is like, this is like a midi hat. Oh my gosh. It's very soft on the inside. It has these little elastics, it looks like. It's like, you probably have to put it around the front of your head, but that's gonna bother the heck out of me. So, oh my gosh. This is so cool. I love it. Oh my gosh. It's gorgeous. It's so fun. Oh my god. I'm so excited. I think I'm actually going to add some extra things on it because I have some fabric that I was going to make some of my own accessories, and I think I can add a little extra to this and it will still be fabulous. But oh my gosh, I love this. Ah. This is beautiful. I can't wait to show you the content I'm gonna make and the outfit that I'm making for this. Ah. I'm probably gonna do this. I'm definitely gonna do this before the cyberpunk look because there's still a lot of things left I still have to do for the cyberpunk look. But for this one, I just have to do a couple of things, which should be easy. I should be able to do that this weekend. So maybe the weekend after, I'll be able to make this content. Ooh. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.